Are you ready to feel better, have more energy, and live a healthier life? It all starts with your heart. Cardio is your key to unlocking a healthier you. Let's get started. Cardio is not about punishing yourself, it's about celebrating your body and all that it can do. We're going to make small changes that make a big difference. This guide will help you embrace cardio. You will learn the basics and get moving. Are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's go. The heart of the matter. Cardio is short for cardiovascular exercise. It's any activity that gets your heart rate up. This kind of workout is all about strengthening your heart and lungs. When you do cardio, you breathe faster. This sends more oxygen to your muscles. This makes your heart and lungs stronger. Cardio makes your whole body work better. It's like giving your body a powerful tune-up. Cardio is amazing for your health. It's much more than just burning calories. Cardio strengthens your heart. It also improves your lung function. This helps you breathe easier. Want to manage your weight? Cardio can help with that too. It also helps you sleep better. But that's not all. Cardio boosts your mood and reduces stress. It even improves your brain function. Who wouldn't want all of those benefits? Starting a new workout routine can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, we're starting slow. Remember, something is always better than nothing. Choose an activity you enjoy. This will make it more fun to stick with it. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. Start with a few short workouts each week. You can gradually increase the time and intensity. Remember to warm up before each workout and cool down afterward. This helps prevent injuries. Now let's explore some awesome beginner-friendly cardio exercises. Section 5. Walking your way to wellness. Walking is not just a simple activity. It's a powerful tool for enhancing your overall well-being. Whether you're strolling through a park with friends or exploring a scenic trail, walking can be a delightful and beneficial part of your daily routine. Walking is one of the easiest ways to get started with cardio. It's an activity that requires no special equipment, just a good pair of shoes. You can walk on a sidewalk in your neighborhood or find a nature path to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors. The versatility of walking makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of fitness level. It's free, you can do it anywhere, and it's easy on your joints. Unlike high-impact exercises, walking is gentle on your body, making it an excellent choice for people of all ages. Whether you're navigating the bustling streets of an urban area or enjoying a peaceful walk in the park, the benefits of walking are immense. Start by walking at a pace that's comfortable for you. Listen to your body and find a rhythm that feels right. You can even add some music or a podcast to make your walk more enjoyable. The key is to make walking a pleasant experience so that it becomes a regular part of your routine. You should be able to talk in full sentences without getting out of breath. This conversational pace ensures that you're not overexerting yourself. Walking with friends or chatting on the phone can make the time pass quickly and add a social element to your exercise. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase your speed and distance. Start by adding a few extra minutes to your walk each week, or picking up the pace slightly. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your stamina and overall fitness. You might even find yourself transitioning from walking to jogging as your endurance builds. Try walking on a treadmill for added resistance. Treadmills offer the advantage of adjustable settings, allowing you to increase the incline for a more challenging workout. This can help you build strength and burn more calories. Plus, walking indoors on a treadmill is a great option when the weather isn't cooperating. Walking is a great way to ease into cardio and improve your fitness level. Using a fitness tracker can help you monitor your progress and set goals. Whether you're walking alone or with a group, the important thing is to stay consistent. Make walking a regular part of your life, and you'll soon see the benefits in your physical and mental health. So lace up your shoes, step outside and start walking your way to wellness today. Section 6. Running starts slow and steady wins the race. This age-old adage holds true, especially when it comes to running. Whether you're a beginner or getting back into the groove, the key is to start slow and build your pace gradually. Running is a step up from walking. It requires more effort and engages different muscle groups, making it a more intense workout. But don't let that intimidate you. Everyone starts somewhere, and it's perfectly okay to begin with a mix of walking and running. It's a fantastic way to burn calories and challenge your cardiovascular system. Running not only helps in shedding those extra pounds, but also strengthens your heart and lungs. The uphill runs in particular can significantly boost your stamina and endurance. Start by alternating between walking and short bursts of running. This method, known as interval training, is highly effective for beginners. It allows your body to gradually adapt to the increased physical demand without overwhelming it. As you build endurance, gradually increase your running time and decrease your walking time. Keep track of your progress using a watch or a fitness app. This will help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Invest in a good pair of running shoes to support your feet and prevent injuries. The right shoes can make a significant difference in your running experience, providing the necessary cushioning and support. Remember, listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard too soon. Hydrate well and take breaks when needed. Stretching before and after your run can also help prevent injuries and keep your muscles flexible. Running can be a truly rewarding and exhilarating cardio exercise. The sense of accomplishment you feel after finishing a run is unmatched. Plus, running in groups or participating in races can add a social element to your fitness routine, making it even more enjoyable. So lace up those shoes, hit the pavement, and remember, slow and steady wins the race. Section 7. Cycling pedal your way to fitness. Cycling is not just a workout, it's an experience that combines fitness with the joy of exploration. Cycling is a low-impact cardio workout that's easy on your joints. Unlike running, which can be hard on your knees and ankles, cycling provides a smooth, gliding motion that minimizes stress on your body. It's a fun way to explore your surroundings and get some fresh air. Whether you're cycling through a bustling city or a serene countryside, each ride offers a new adventure and a chance to see the world from a different perspective. Start with short rides at a comfortable pace. If you're new to cycling, don't worry about speed or distance. Focus on enjoying the ride and getting comfortable with your bike. You can gradually increase your distance and intensity as you get stronger. Challenge yourself by tackling different terrains like hills or trails to build endurance and strength. Consider investing in a stationary bike for indoor cycling workouts. This allows you to maintain your fitness routine regardless of the weather or time constraints. This is a great option for days when the weather isn't cooperating. Indoor cycling classes can also provide a structured workout with the added motivation of a group setting. Cycling is a fantastic way to improve your cardiovascular health and enjoy the outdoors. It strengthens your heart, lungs and muscles and can help reduce stress and anxiety. So grab your helmet, hop on your bike and pedal your way to a healthier, happier you. Section 8. Swimming. Dive into a full-body workout. Swimming is a fantastic full-body workout that's also low impact. It's a great option for people of all fitness levels, especially those with joint pain. Start by swimming at a pace you can maintain comfortably. Focus on your breathing and technique. Take breaks when needed and don't be afraid to ask for help from a lifeguard or swim instructor if you're new to swimming. Swimming is an excellent way to improve your cardiovascular endurance, strength and flexibility. Section 9. Dancing, move your body, lift your spirits. Dancing is a fun and effective way to get your heart rate up. It's a great way to relieve stress, improve coordination, and express yourself creatively. Join a dance class, follow along with online videos, or simply put on some music and move to the beat in your own home. Choose a dance style that you enjoy and that fits your fitness level. Section 10. Sample weekly cardio routine, your roadmap to success. Here's a sample weekly cardio routine to get you started. Monday, brisk walking for 30 minutes. Tuesday, rest. Wednesday, cycling for 30 minutes. Thursday, rest. Friday, water aerobics or swimming for 30 minutes. Saturday, dancing for 30 minutes. Sunday, rest. Remember, this is just a sample routine. Listen to your body and adjust it based on your fitness level and preferences. Start slow, gradually increase your intensity and duration, and most importantly, have fun on your cardio journey.